how to disable groups notifications on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable groups notifications tone on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and click this 3 points in the top corner and click settings. Here you will find notifications, click on it, then just scroll down until you find notification tone, click on it and click settings. And now just scroll down until you find this one known, click on it and go back. That's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.